Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Hugs World. Today we got a nice watch face for you all to check out. This one here, I believe is free. Right now I downloaded it for free, but it says MWF promo, so I do not know how long this is going to last. So make sure you download ASAP, and remember, if you miss out on this one, I got more freebies to come. All right, you all, let's check out this watch face. This is nice. I like the look. It's a casual watch face, definitely a dress down watch face. And yeah, this can be considered a weekend watch face as well as the work week, right? But let's go ahead. Let's take a look at this one. Now in AOD mode, I do like the look. Now you're pretty much going to get the same look as if the watch face was on. Not a bad deal at all. Now I like the premium hands on this watch face. So you can dress up super casual in this one if you so choose, to a certain degree. But still, I do like the look and the design of this one. You get a nice second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch. You got a saying that says to keep abreast, right? You got the developer's name at the top. Maybe it's just the name of it, MWF promo. Who knows? I say download it ASAP anyway, right? So check this out. Right here, you're going to get the days we are into the year. You're going to get the weeks we are into the year. You're going to get your digital time, which means you get the best of both worlds. You're going to get info, of course, on your coffee intake, your water intake, miles walked or ran, heart rate down at the bottom. And also over here, you're going to get the day of the week. You're going to get your date, and you're going to get your S health information up at the top, like your steps and calories burned. Now, what I like about this is that if you tap in every little icon, you can go into that particular application. Now we're going to go all the way around just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this super awesome casual dress down watch face for the weekend. Not a bad deal at all. You could set a favorite on this one, make it a little bit more convenient. So I thought this was nice. Here go your battery info as well. The developer did a really good job with this watch face so far as casual wear is concerned. I say it's a download. I said it gets my stamp of approval, but at the end of the day, people, you know it is all about you. One more thing, you can also customize the color theme of the watch face with a double tap, and you get a few colors to change to. I thought this was nice, depending on what color you're wearing for the day, the theme. This is not bad. Not a bad deal at all. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.